Hello students, as you are observing on board, in this video we are going to discuss about angle properties of a circle. What is the meaning of angle properties of a circle? We suppose we have a circle and we have 2 points on the circumference of a circle, means we have we have chosen an arc. This is your center of the circle. Clear? Question says that this property says that if we try to make some angle with the help of other part of the circle, like with the help of center, if we draw this angle likewise, so this must be an angle, or by using same part reach to the circumference and just drop and come to this point. So this is also a circle. This one is also, but so these two are different types of angle. This angle, if you give the name A, P, and this is your center O, and this is your part P. So angle AOB is an angle on center of the circle. This is an angle on the center of the circle by an arc, or angle at center with the help of arc AB. Clear? And this is the angle angle at circumference of the circle by using the arc AB. Here angle is APB. So there are some theorems, some observations. They says that there are some relationship between in these two angles. It means what? Always remember that angle at center is always equals to 2 times of the angle at circumference. Circumference means what? If value of this angle is angle AOB is angle AOB is x, then a value of angle APB must be x upon 2. This is your mathematical relationship. This will clear you better. This will clear you better. Angle AOB equals to 2 of angle APB. This angle, now point, you must note that this angle made anywhere, but arc must be same. If same arc produced, in this case same arc AB produced angle at center, and same arc AB produced angle at remaining part of the circumference, it must be this one also. So this one is also same. It must be this one. So this one is also double than this one. Clear? But generally, so this is your first part of the theorem. Second part says that angle made at the same segment suppose this is a circle. It's not look like perfect circle, but you can suppose this as a circle. Clear? Now angle made, suppose this is your arc AB, Clear? So angle made by the arc AB using the same arc, if we draw two angles on the circumference of the circle, suppose this one, or take another one, this one, C, D, E. So here we have angle made by same arc AB to the circumference of the circle. So when we observe, all angles must be same. All angle must be same, means angle ACB equals to angle ADE equals to angle AEB. Angle on the same segment by same arc must be same. Now by using this concept, remember that so this is your circle and we are choosing, this is PQ diameter and we are choosing arc PQ. This must be an arc. Then and this is your center C. Clear? So what is the angle made by arc PQ towards the center? It's a 180 degree. Whether you choose this one or this one, it's a 180 degree. Now if we draw an angle by using this arc on the circumference of any of the circumference, any part of the circumference of the circle, so this angle, what I told you, this angle must be half of this angle, or this angle double than this angle. Value of this angle is 180. So what is the value of this angle? This must be 90 degree. This is your another theorem, that angle made on circumference of a semicircle must, from the diameter part, must be equals to 90 degree. Here PQ diameter act as an arc, and angle made by PQ on center, it's 180 degree because it's a straight line, it's a diameter, and angle made by same arc PQ on the circumference of the circle should be half than 180 degree, it's a 90 degree. Now next is your cyclic quadrilateral. Sorry for disturbance, student. Actually my camera stuck in wire of microphone phone, so please sorry for that one, that interruption. Now continue this topic. Suppose we have a quadrilateral and this vertex of this quadrilateral fall on the circumference of the circle, means each vertex of quadrilateral A, B, C, D fall on the circumference of the circle. So this circle is known as your cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. Clear? And sum of all angle of quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of these two must be 180 degree, means sum of angle opposite to each other must be equals to 180 degree. Number one. Number two, if we produce any of the side further, so exterior angle made by this extended line must be equals to the opposite interior angle. Always remember opposite interior angle. What is opposite? First, opposite interior angle, not this one. This is the same interior. This is opposite to this one. Now that's all for explanation. We are going to solve some questions given in your some books. Okay, in this question, as you are seeing on the just extreme right hand side of your screen, let me adjust the screen a little bit. Now, this is perfect one. Sorry for the disturbance. In this case, you can see that angle made by the arc of a circle at center O is C. It's given C. We assume C. And angle made by same arc on the circumference of the circle is 40 degree. So, what is the value of C? Because it was find the value of C. So, as we know, angle at center must be double angle at circumference. Angle at circumference. I think must be a little bit smaller word, but I think you can easily visible. Clear? Angle at circumference. So what is the value of angle at center? It's a C equals to 2 into 40 degree. Its the value of C is 80 degree. Hope this thing is clear to you. Now we use the first property. Now move to the next part. In this case question, angle made at center of the circle, you can see angle made at the center of the circle is 260 degree by the arc this one. Actually this is not the proper way. Remember what we use, figure must be a little bit smaller one, so avoid this one. This angle is given to you, it's a 260 degree, but this is from inner side. So this is not the angle made by this smaller arc. Clear? This is the angle made by the bigger arc. So we have to find out the first angle of this one, then we move to find the angle x, because angle must be in same way. So what is the value of this angle? Value of angle at center is 360 minus 260. So equals to 360 degree minus 260 degree equals to 100 degree. Always remember, if we are talking about angle at the center and angle at the circumference, we use angle must be on the same direction where we are using which arc we are using, this one. If this arc we are using, this is the angle, this is the angle. And if this arc we are using, so this is the angle, and if circumference must be this side. So be careful about this one. It's 100 degree. So angle at circumference, it's simply half equals to half of the angle at the center, it's a 50 degree. So likewise we have to solve the questions. Now our next question is, it is looks like this one. There is a circle and there is an angle at the circumference by using some arc, and also we have an angle at the center of the circle likewise, and we have some joined part. This angle is A, this angle is your B. There are two unknown angles and only one angle is known to you. It's a 40 degree. So I think you can easily solve this one. How we solve this one? Before we start, remember this is your center of the circle C. So this point A and B, these two are the CA and CB are radius and they must be equal to each other. So therefore triangle CAB is an isosceles triangle that you know. Clear? Now how we solve this one? See here, this is your angle at the center of the circle and this is the angle at the circumference of the circle. So this angle must be double than the angle at the circumference. Why? Because they have the same side of an arc AB. This one and this one. So what is the value of A? It's double than the circumference one. It's A, value of A is 2 into 40 degree. You must know what why. Clear? So what is the value of B? As we know that triangle CAB is an isosceles triangle. Clear? Why? Because since we know CA equals to CB and they are radius. So this angle is also B. So therefore we can write down A plus B equals to 180 degree, and we know the value of A, it's 80 degree. Plus 2B equals to 180 degree. 2B equals to 180 minus 80 degree. So we can easily find out the value of B. I am solving this side. There B equals to 100 degree divided by 2, it's a 50 degree. I think I am right. Clear? B equals to 50 degree. So it is all for this video. More questions discussed in next video. Till then, all of you try to solve some questions, say 1 to 5 given in your book. That's all for this video. Thank you.